Conduct Awardee, the SELG Representative, Class Treasurer, Filipino Club President, Chess Club Secretary, Southern Star Feature Editor, contestant in the Class 30 Press Conference, Feature Writing English 9th place, District Press Con, Feature Writing English 4th place, contestant in the District Athletic Meet Chess, Municipal Athletic Meet, and participant in the Girl Scout World Thinking Day. With 100,000 to our top 5 honor graduates. May we call on stage Naive, Kira Ai. Sama-sama na po sila dito. Haron Shia.
A famous line by Tom Hanks in an American film. Forrest Gump goes, "My mama always said, life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get." To our school's division office representative, Ma'am Marisa Endonoso, our guest speaker, Sir Joseph Silvano, our principal, Ma'am Agnes C. Obispo, teachers, parents, fellow graduates, guests, ladies and gentlemen, a delightful morning to each of us. Today, I got the most expensive chocolates from the box of life. Or, I may fittingly say, we got the most delicious ones. Am I right? Of course! The graduation that we celebrate today is really sweet. Sweet fruit of hard work and good decisions. Not all decides to get one, but I am sure you and I confidently did it. The 7 long years of stay in Anislag Elementary School will definitely become few of life's wonderful times, which will become history many years from now. The most crucial years that will at some point determine our future. This is what we call the foundation of everyone's academic journey. In these 7 years, there are so many moments I'll never forget. Laughing with my friends during recess, rushing to finish group projects, grasping Ma'am Rich Osea's dividing pool into pieces, Sir John's arranging the solar system with my bare hands, Ma'am Belen's pagpapahanap ng sanhi sa mga bunga, Ma'am Shell, Lidea, Suliranin at Hamon na inarap ng mga Pilipino noon, na minsan naiisip ko, may kasalanan ba ako sa mga iyon? And of course, listening to Ma'am Han's English lessons, her point of view, and putting an end to negative stereotypes. At least we know that women with blonde hair are not dumb, and pink colors are for boys too. Well, who could forget those times we got scolded for not being able to submit outputs on deadlines, or for being too noisy? I am sure it is not me. Maybe it's my seatmate, or someone at my back whom I don't know. All of it, the fun and challenges, help us grow into who we are today. There were times I felt like giving up, especially when things got hard. But I learned that mistakes are okay. They help us become better. I'm proud of how far we've come, and I know we can do even more in the future. At this point, I want to say thank you to the people who made this journey special. To our teachers, thank you for all your hard work and for treating us like your own children. You didn't just teach us lessons in school. You taught us how to be respectful, responsible, and kind. To my family, Thank you for always supporting me, for helping me with my homework, waking me up early, and reminding me to never give up. And to my classmates and friends, thank you for making every day exciting. School wouldn't have been this fun without you. As we move on to the next level, I promise to keep trying my best. I will remember the lessons I learned here, not just in the classroom, but in life. I will keep dreaming, keep growing, and keep doing my best, just like our teachers taught us. To everyone, my warmest congratulations. We did it! And we will always move in unison for our country and the rest of us. Mabuhay, Batch